Okay, let's see if I can do it. I'm going to start with the square root symbol. And then while my cursor's still in there, I'm going to put in a fraction. So now I can type in you had x plus 4, I think, on the top. So I click the cursor there, hitting backspace, x plus 4, just typing those in. Now down here, you wanted x to the third, right? I'm going to type the x first, and then I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see. Oh no, it puts in the x. I shouldn't have typed that first. Okay, so now I'm going to backspace over the a, put x there. And then I'm going to backspace over that b and put a 3 there. And then what you want to do is hit the arrow, like the right arrow will get you back down. Otherwise it keeps you stuck up there in the 3. So if I go here and I hit right arrow, then I can just type, what was it, plus 18, I think? Oops, that was my typo. Plus 18. And let me go back and clean up that X. I'm just going to click over there and backspace. Now I'm going to click over here and right arrow again. And now I can do that minus 20. I hope this helped.